Can you say, Glama, I love you?
Mama, higher.
Thank you. Hey guys, so I just got an Amazon order right here. I just broke the seal and I opened one item, but then I thought, oh, I should vlog it. So I've got one camera down here for my Facebook channel. I've got one camera up there for my YouTube channel. Did I say my Facebook channel? I meant my Facebook page. So I've got 3 things that I ordered for my paparazzi. So the thing that I opened already is made of better quality than I thought it was gonna be. This is for my paparazzi rings, and so I opened this up already, but I haven't opened this up. Let's see what it looks like. It's supposed to hold 18 rings. Ooh, and it's heavy, guys. I got it off of Amazon, and it's nice and heavy. Wow. Look at that. It holds 18 rings. Nice. Awesome. Yay, so let's, in a minute, I'll put some jewelry on here so we can see what it looks like. And then I bought some thank you stickers right here. Let's open them up. There's 1,000 thank you stickers to put with my orders. Oh, they're so cute. Look at them. First, let me show this bottom camera. It's backwards because it's my cell phone. And let's see if this will focus. There we go. Yeah, see how cute those are? So adorable. Yay, so, and there's 1,000 of them, and I think I paid like $8 for 1,000 stickers. Awesome. And they kind of look like my cards. Let me see if I can grab them really quick. I'm in my pajamas, so don't mind me. Okay, so these are my cards that I hold up when I'm doing the paparazzi parties, and so they match really well. Wow, how coincidental is that? Okay, now the next thing that I got is also a display for jewelry, and it's for bracelets. So let me see, I might need scissors. Yep, it's already open. Okay, all right, so let's see if this is in as good a quality. Oh, it's nice and heavy, so yeah, I think it's not going to be too cheaply made. Let's see. So exciting. So the reason I wanted these is because I'm kind of squatting down for each camera, is I was thinking of having like a jewelry yard sale today, which is Saturday, but I wanted to wait for this, so I think I'm going to wait till next Saturday and hope that I get good weather. But that way I can set up a table outside, have my ring display, have my jewelry, my bracelet display, and I was going to order a couple more velvet busts, like Brenda, my velvet bust girl. I don't know where she's at. Oh, she's over there. But yeah, let's open this and see what it looks like. Awesome. Kind of, sort of have to put it together. So this is what the bracelets will go on. Okay. This is the base of it. And so I'm sure I can figure this out. Let me see. Okay, yes, one side will go this way. One will go like this, I believe. Right? It'll slide in. Yeah, nice. And it slides in pretty deeply so it won't fall out or anything. Nice. Hold on a second. Yeah, so you see, even during my live parties I can use this because even though I'm going to have to be sliding out the jewelry, the bracelets off of here, it would be easy to do. Look at how awesome that is. So during a live party, all I would have to do is just slide out this bracelet, show it, and then put on the table because I've already shown that. Slide out the next one, show it. So that is cool. Now let me go ahead and fill this up with jewelry. Hold on a second. Okay guys, so I have the ring holder filled up. How adorable. Let me show this camera first. How adorable is that? So even when I'm doing my lives, I can just grab a ring, grab a number, and then put the ring back. And I could probably even put my numbers like that, you know, and then just stack them up behind them. So cute. Now let me show this camera. So adorable, right? 18 rings. can go on here. And this is nice and heavy. The base of it is pretty heavy. And the base of this one is too. This is so cool. Look at that. So neat. Yeah. And if I put them a little closer together, more would fit on here. This one already got dirty because of the real leather on this. So let me show this camera first. So cool. I don't know if it's there. Now it's focused. There we go. Isn't that cool? And let me show this camera now. Awesome. Isn't that awesome? And so let me show you. When I'm getting ready to show a piece, I can just lift this up, slide it out, and then I can put it back. I can put it on a table in front of me with the number to show that I've already shown that. I can show it, get the number, show it as number 1, and then put this on the table, and then I'll be ready to grab the next item. Isn't that just so cool? I think so. And I think it'll also be perfect for yard sales. Awesome! And these thank you stickers are so cute. Another thing that I wanted to show you are these containers that I bought at Walmart yesterday. Instead of using individual baskets, I was using baskets like this and then putting them on the couch right here, but then Paris was walking all over them and knocking the jewelry out of the baskets. I thought instead of that, I'm gonna do this. And so I've got 2 examples of people. Let's just say that I'm doing my live right now and Shelby purchased something. So I would write her name on that. These are chalkboard stickers, and they're erasable, so just have a cotton round or a cotton right there, and you just wipe it off and for the next live party. But let's say that she just bought something, so I write her name on it. I've got her card of information with her email and her address, and I'll just throw the first piece of jewelry in there. Let's just say she bought this. I'll throw that in there, close it up. Let's say now, okay, now Pat bought something, so I'll open this drawer, I'll write her name on it, I'll open this drawer, and I'll throw the next piece of jewelry in there, and then so on and so on. There's 10 drawers here, 5 drawers per container. I'll probably go back and buy a couple more once, you know, once I start selling, once I have more customers. Right now I only have on average about 5 or 6 customers per live party, but these are even stackable. So let's say that now the party's over and I had 5 customers. All I have to do is carry this over to my computer. Instead of carrying 5 or 6 different baskets, I just carry that thing, grab the jewelry and invoice and do my shipping labels, and that's it. And then I come in and erase that name, and they're all blank again for my next party. Awesome! I think that was a good idea. So, and like I said, they're stackable too. So instead of having them side by side, I could stack them. Once I start getting more customers, I might need 2 long stacks next to each other or 3 long stacks. I can't wait for that day when I have more customers during my lives. So anyway, I just thought I would show you that idea too. Yay! So I made this a long time ago because I bought some of this stuff right here from Michael's, and then I found a picture of me and I printed it out on card paper. And Petrova is obsessed with doctor stuff right now. And she says, "Hi, Dr. Atta. Look, Petrova, let's go to your room and I'll show you something. I'm going to show you something. Look, Dr. Glama. It's Dr. Glama. Here, do you want it? Here, you can have it. It's Dr. Glama. Do you like it? You're kind of shocked by it. That's Glama. And look, there's my doctor stuff. Yeah. Are you sick, Dr. Atta? Do you like it? It's yours. You can have it. Are you scared of it? Dr. Atta. That's Dr. Glama. Yeah. No wonder you're a doctor. What are we doing in here? Huh? What's happening? What's happening in here? Do you have a sticker?
Put it where it goes. Do it real nice. It goes right there. You caught it.
Did you catch a fish? Wow, good job.
Okay, let's find a big fish. Let's find a big one. See, we've done a lot of these already.
Wow.
Let's find, what should we find? Should we find a bird?
Did Mommy buy you that yesterday?
Yeah,
Really good bed.
we got ocean and we got in the wildlife. So we got elephants and things.
Cool.
It's sticker.
And stickers, yeah.
So where's the bird at?
These
Help me find
stickers?
the bird. She helps me find it sometimes too when I don't see it. Let's find the bird. There it is.
There it is.
There's a bird. Got you.
Caught you. That's cute.
What happened?
What happened?
Okay.
Yes, hello.
There it is.
Okay, put it where it goes, right here. There's where the bird goes.
She doesn't like me standing on her.
Oh wait, which way does the bird go? I think his wings go up. His two wings go up here, like this. There you go, like that.
She really tries hard.
And
Wow.
she usually does. She was doing really good before.
Wow.
Or you wouldn't see any white before.
Wow.
Press it down more.
Good job. High five.
I told her after we find
Good
all of
job.
them, we'll read it. And then they give you enough to do the whole book, and then they also give you tons extra to in the back. You get to frame your favorites and like your own picture book.
Wow.
So you can like
Petrova,
your favorite one.
say hi to everyone. Say bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
We're at the movies. What are we going to watch, Adam?
Captain Marvel.
Yay. He's been wanting to see this. Captain Marvel. At one... Oh, it just moved. It was there. Got my bling bag. Everywhere I go, I take my bling bag. Oh, you have to go to the kiosk? There's Adam. Let's go look at the bowling. This is so cool. How fun is this? We have to come here sometime with the kids. So fun. Oh, they're having a party. Oh, this is fun too. I've never been in here. Yay! Thank you. Do we all know that they're on? Photo studio. And then there's the arcade. Halo, The Walking Dead, Injustice, Ninja Turtles. I don't know where Adam is. I don't know where he went. Oh, there he is. What'd you find? What are you gonna get?
I was thinking about the Philly cheesesteak like I used to get. What was it you used to get?
A chicken something.
Yeah.
Chicken parmesan? No.
Yeah.
So they even have a place to eat here. So we're gonna eat some food. Oh, I thought it still showed the picture. I'm getting
no,
something
mine's-
called limonade. Oh wait, where is it though? Start over.
Hold on. Ooh, Sprite.
More, there's more. I don't know.
There's a Sprite drink, I think.
So that's what I wanted to try. Sprite limonade. Sounds good. So we are see us. So we are going to see Captain Marvel. Adam has been wanting to see that so badly. I look so bad. Just went to the meeting, went home, changed into jeans, and to see if Ines wanted to go get something to eat. She didn't. So our second option was to go to the movies.
So here we are.
So here we are, and have some lunch here. And this is the movies where you can eat inside the movie theater. But we're gonna eat now, and then maybe get some popcorn for the movie.
Yeah.
We're so bummed. We used to do this all the time when we had Movie Pass. Movie Pass started getting so weird. Maybe we should still do Movie Pass again, babe.
It's not working. It's going under.
Oh, it's going under.
They have lawsuits against them and everything else.
Because, yeah, it was $10 a month and you got to see as many movies as you wanted when it first started. And then they started limiting you as to how many movies. And then it started limiting you as to which movies. So we just let our thing, we used it up as much as we could. And then once our thing expired, it expired. But we miss it so bad because we love going to movies. That's our entertainment, is movies. That's the one thing we love to do. We love to eat and we love to go to movies.
So when you can combine the two, it's really awesome.
Yeah, exactly. Mmm, delicious. My bun is over here somewhere. There it is. So good. There's Adam. So delicious looking. Woohoo! Can't wait. Ooh, that cheese looks good. I love cheese. Oh, still recording. Here he comes. There he is. Followed you all the way to the car and all the way back. So what are your thoughts on the movie?
It was good. It was really good. I never knew that Marvel was at the beginning of everything. So now we got to see how it all started, how the Avengers name came about, how Nick Fury. Well, I don't want to say too much about the movie in case you haven't seen it yet. Good movie though.
Do you recommend it?
I recommend it. 2 thumbs up.